a world that never sleeps, reliable power is non-negotiable. Enter the diesel generator, the robust heartbeat of emergency and industrial power solutions. Through controlled combustion, diesel fuel ignites in the engine, driving a rotor inside the alternator. This rotation converts mechanical energy to electrical power via electromagnetic induction. From keeping hospitals operational during outages to powering remote mining operations, diesel generators deliver instant 80% plus load capacity, superior fuel efficiency, 24/7 durability, scalable power, 5 kilowatts 3 MW plus. Modern units feature noise reduction enclosures, automated transfer switches, and emission controls meeting EPA Tier 4 standards. More than backup power, diesel generators keep civilization running when it matters most. For continuous energy security, trust the unstoppable force of diesel.